Today, I'm very pleased to welcome you to the Wilstock Village in Bridgwater. Here we have a beautiful 4-bedroom detached family home, complete with a very spacious garden, parking to the rear, and also a self-contained 1-bedroom annex. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you would like to book a viewing on this modern family home, or would indeed like a valuation of your own property by the property centre, then please do get in touch.